Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, pharmajobalert.in. My dear, new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe.
So coming to today's vacancies, Sri Krishna Pharma is having vacancies in production and warehouse department. So the qualification is Inter, BTech, Diploma, Bsc, Bpharm, Mpharm. So the experience required is minimum 2 years of experience. The area of work is production and warehouse. The job location is Nacharam, and the experience in packing machines like BQS, blister, high cart, experience in dispatches, finished goods, raw materials, and SAP. So these are walk-ins on 25th and 26th August 10 to 3 p.m. Sri Krishna Pharmaceuticals Unit 2 IDA Nacharam. So you need to attend only if you are having OSD experience. They are looking for male candidates. You need to work in rotational shifts. Audit exposure will be an added advantage. So these are the details regarding the vacancy from Sri Krishna Pharmaceuticals. So I think the time is limited. Please go through this notification. Today and tomorrow interviews are there. Go and check out if you are nearby.